Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to set a full screen photo for incoming calls. So whenever you call someone, they will see your photo on their incoming call screen. So let's get started. First of all, open your phone dialer app. Then tap on three lines at the top left corner. After that, tap on settings. Then scroll down and tap on calling card. Now tap on create under the your calling card option. Now choose your Google account and tap on continue. Then tap on gallery. Now choose the photo you want to others to see when you call them. After selecting, tap on done. Now adjust the photo by zooming in or out as you like. Then tap on done. Now choose who can see your calling card by tapping on the drop down arrow and select your preferred option from here. Then tap on done. And that's it. Your calling screen has been changed. Now whenever you call someone, they will see your photo on their incoming call screen. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.